It is Finance Friday, and we're joined by the Senior Manager of Business Services at FirstOntario Credit Union, Colin Cyr. And today we're talking about small business owners and what they should expect from their bank or financial institution or credit union, or I mean, we call it a bank.
Yeah, they're interchangeable for the most part. Financial institution, right? And yeah, expectations, like you would expect a lot of your lawyer, you'd expect a lot of your accountant, you should expect a lot of your bank as a business partner as well too. You know, banks, credit unions, they're there to provide a service, but if they're not working for you, you may need to reconsider your relationship with your bank. We do believe ultimately businesses should expect at least 3 things out of their banks. That's good advice, good service, and that bank should have a good understanding of what's going on with that business. And it's essential the banks deliver on those things.
And that's where you really need kind of like a personal touch, right?
Absolutely, yeah, and that's the advice piece, right? So, you know, you can just plug a product, you need a term loan, you need a credit card. You know, how many times have you gone to a service provider, they just plugged a product without actually getting to know you? You know, businesses, people want to feel heard and seen and understood and have the right questions asked. Are the banks asking you, you know, what are your challenges? What are you trying to accomplish? What does success look like for you? If they're not doing that, how can they tailor a response and you know, an answer to what you need?
Or tailor a product too with what, you know, maybe there's an account that works best for you if you're at a certain level.
Absolutely.
or even like we were talking before the interview started about even like a side hustle. It's a small business.
Yep.
You need to keep that money separate from your personal money.
Absolutely, and your advice should be oriented towards that. It's separate from maybe your personal income. The banker should understand those things, and they need to be having that conversation to personalize a recommendation. And if they do that, the outcomes are going to be better for your business too. Yeah.
I would think that a first time probably that you're having an interaction with a financial institution is for a business loan to start your business.
Quite often, right? Yeah, those are important conversations at any stage in your growth, but the start of a business for sure. I think sometimes it's just having that conversation is a challenge. Good service is a piece that a lot of businesses aren't getting from their bank. No responsiveness, no availability, 3 weeks to hear back from somebody. You should be able to pick up a phone and talk to your banker, at least get a call back in a reasonable amount of time. Small businesses move quick. They need their banks to move quick as well too, so you can have that conversation. It's a key piece of the service.
And then needs grow as your business grows.
That's right. Yeah, things will change, and you have to have a bank that understands what's going on with your specific needs, your market, your industry. Rural's different than the city. You know, if you have construction going on outside of your business for the last 3 months, your banker should take that into consideration. Are you being shuffled out to some centralized, out-of-market unit that doesn't really know what's going on with your business? You deserve better than that. You should expect more from your bank to be understanding what's in your market, what's specific to you, and what your needs are.
Does this mean like a one-on-one, like in-person meeting?
It can take many different forms, and you know, your bank should meet you where you're at, whether it's a virtual call, whether it's a phone call. You know, credit unions are known locally for actually going to their businesses, the bank with them, their place of business will meet you there. So it's got to meet you on your terms, and if it's not meeting on your terms, your bank's probably not working for you. Right,
because maybe then the bank rep sees what's going on, sees something either, you know, an advantage or a disadvantage.
Absolutely. We'll go into the business, we'll look at the inventory, we'll have conversations with the management. That's a piece of the interaction and the engagement that you really should expect on some level. It looks different for every business and every situation, but that relationship piece is important for sure.
And you just have to ask for it.
You have to ask for it. You have to know that you deserve it. Once you realize that, you can go look for a financial institution that can provide those things to you for your business and your success.
Okay, Colin, great to chat with you again. We'll get your links up on our website. And if you have a financial question or topic you would like covered, email your questions to financefriday@firstontario.com. And if your question or topic is covered on air, you'll get a gift card from First Ontario.